my channel. So guys, I really hope you all are doing fine. So होली है and I'm very excited, but I'm sure इस साल आप भी मेरी तरह घर में होली मनाने वाले हैं. And I know it's very boring, but yes, it is very important. It is always important to take all the necessary precautions, guys. Better to stay home and stay safe, isn't it? So coming to the topic, I would like to tell you that currently I'm obsessed with photograph gifts, as they can fall down, they can slide out, and in this case they can just jump out. So it is very exciting and I'm sure you will like this DIY. I personally also like it because the person who receives it is suddenly flooded with motions and emotions. So it is very cute and I just love doing it. So today's video is a step-by-step guide for all those creative people out there who just want to create something very creative for someone really special in their life. Guys, you just need a few things like a few papers, colorful designer papers, some glue, a pair of scissors and some rubber bands. So let's go.
तो मैंने ये पेपर ले लिया है एंड मैंने 6 सेंटीमीटर्स मेजर करके 3 टाइम्स मार्क कर लिया. Then again 6, then 1 1, then 2 times 6, and then again 1 1, then 6 and again 1. Now I will draw the lines. So it needs a lot of patience and I'm still drawing and it will still take 2 more minutes. Let me tell you, अगर ये सारे ही blocks same measurement के होंगे, like I've taken 6 centimeters, so मैं सारे ही sizes को 6 centimeters में लूँगी. If you've taken 7, तो आप सारे 7 के sizes लेंगे, बिकॉज हम क्यूब बना रहे हैं तो सब इक्वल होने चाहिए. ऑल ऑफ द साइड्स आर इक्वल. नाउ मैंने ये जो मार्क किया है ये मैं रिमूव करूँगी. आई विल कट दिस आउट. सो हियर यू गो. ये कट कर दिया है. नाउ आई विल कट द एजेस लाइक दिस. Because these will be folded inside. We'll do the same for the other side. Now we're done. I actually had cut 4 pieces together as it consumes less time. Now ये दोनों sides पे होल्ड करना है हमें. And then I will be taking a rubber band. I'll cut it from one side and it looks like this. Tying knots on both the sides with this rubber band. So it's done, and now I will put colorful papers over the sides, which are gonna be on the top. Now this is the last step. I'll fold them and I will glue these up. So you just need to take care of what are you gluing up. Just take good note on what I'm sticking and how I'm sticking. So here my cube is ready. Look how it jumps. Now I will make the box of these cubes. So taking another color paper. It is a bit hard. I have drawn all the lines according to the measurements and I'll cut them out. So here it goes. Now I'll be sticking them up together to make this box. So now it's done and it looks like a matchbox, isn't it? I'll put all the cubes that I've made and see how this looks. Woohoo! Now I had to make this cover a bit interesting, so I glued up another printed paper, and to finish up the look I added some butterfly stickers over it, and it's done. Let's check. So here it is. It looks superb, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.